Welcome back to the channel. I want to start working on the CRX today. The CRV, I'm probably going to touch it first. I'm going to spend a couple minutes on it. I want to polish the headlight out. You can see it's somewhat yellow here, then it's all cleared here. This one is just hazeled out. So I'm going to sand it down with a 2000 wet and polish it out with the Suds compound, because I've had great results with that with the G35. And if you guys own or know anybody with G35, they are notorious for becoming yellow quickly. So I want to do that. I also have a box. I got you. I have a box right here, my Moroso box. And inside of there are a ton of distributors, some complete, some taken for parts. But I remembered I bought a OEM B20 Dizzy from Caesar and took the guts out to put in my distributor for my B series turbo, and I made 450 without a spike in the ignition system. So I know I have a body, OEM body with, you know, the cylinder position sensor and all that still intact. And what I'm going to do is pull out the aftermarket Dizzy and use all the guts into the OEM case and sensors, crossing fingers that the check engine light would disappear and not come back. Did a little bit of research last night, and it's a sensor inside the distributor that cannot be replaced because they are calibrated, and usually when you get that check engine light you have to swap your distributor. So I'm crossing fingers that mix matching these two guys, making one good working distributor with an untouched OEM sensor in the housing itself, would fix my issue. So once I squared up with that, I got about 6 hours of daylight, so hopefully we get some stuff done here. I want to start. Memo, what are you? Relax. You trying to push me or something, bro? But anyways, I want to pull the pedal assembly out and you know, obviously get all the herpy welds off of that, and try to weld it all back together, and then make a plate for the full hydro conversion I'm going to be doing in this car. While I'm at it, I'm going to try to take out the stock booster and see if I can fit this ginormous GSR booster in the car, since it does have DA front brakes. My only concern is the IAT sensor being too close. But let's get this day started, right? Meow. Alright, so before I start working on the CRV, I want to run Built to Drive by you guys real quick. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about stickers, merchandises, the shirts and stuff. What happened to the website? How come we don't sell it anymore? So my cousin, he built all of these in-house in his garage. Personal issues. He doesn't have access to the equipment. The shirt making machine, the heating elements, burnt out or something, and he needs to replace that. I'll work with him on trying to get that and get a hold of the machines itself, so we can move it here into my room and you know, start producing more shirts. Also get a hold of the sticker machine and try to produce more Built to Drive stickers and stuff like that. I'm wearing a shirt now. I saw it in my dresser and I was like, I wanted to talk about it a little bit and give you guys some updates on it, because I get comments frequently about, you know, where to buy merches. I get messages on Facebook all the time about it as well. So stay posted. I'm working with my cousin to see if we can bring the website back, bring the merches back, and hopefully more than just stickers and shirts. We might bring some beanies into the mix, some key tags, some lanyards, who knows. But we've been looking at all of that now. I have some extra funds to put into it, and if you guys, I think it would be a great way to help support the channel and more funds for the project. Hang tight, guys. I appreciate the support truly, and B2D will be back really soon. Right now, I do the 15,000 wet sand. Looking a 10 better. I'm about to hit this guy right here. I'm going to stand right here, and I'm going to show you how it looks after 1500. Yellow haze be gone. But this one has a clear coat that I was digging my goddamn fingers into. I only got 1500 right now, so make do with what you got. 2000 grit next. All right guys, so this is 2000 grit on both sides. That one's still a little hazel because it has clear coat on it, but whatever, it's gonna be a ton better, I am hoping for. And I was supposed to start polishing this out, but instead I did the hood. This right here is using the Sudzbox delete compound right here, and I haven't even used this one yet. This is a finishing compound, and I'm using like a wool for this one. Well, not wool, but I'm using this one for finishing. I use this what is this? It says it right there, polishing only. This has grains to it, as well as the delete compound. This is grainy, and it helps cut down the top layer paint to get that smooth finish, but looking a ton better for when time comes around of me polishing this car. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to have to get more of these because this is all I have, but I'm going to hit that with the reviver quick, and then I'm going to hit the headlights. On the speed or no? Okay. This thing's gonna look so good. Spread this like virus. Slow speeds. Here we go. Oh, the battery's dead. So I did 2 passes on the headlight with the delete compound. I swapped over the polisher, and I'm going to be using a revive to finish it off. Hopefully that'll make it a ton cleaner. Pow dow, check that out. Crystal clear. Check out the hood. Before, after, before. Oh, I can't wait to polish this whole car out. Distributor time. OBD1 LS, OBD2 aftermarket. Nope. Dual point. OBD1 VTEC B series. OBD1 LS. Nope. OBD1 VTEC. Nope. This is OBD1 single cam. And OBD1 VTEC with external. Fuck. God damn it. OBD2 aftermarket. B20. OBD1. OBD1. God damn it. I thought I had an OBD2 OEM. It's aftermarket. Aftermarket. I don't know. Maybe I'll swap guts to one of these aftermarket ones and see if the sensors and those guys are good. Oh man, this thing doesn't even have a face on it. Man, I'm such a dummy. I was over there taking that apart, and then when I disconnected the plug, I was like, what the fuck? So I totally forgot about OBD2A and OBD2B. You can see the plug is different. On the other one had 2 bigger you know, slots for the black, yellow, and the blue tack. This is like a lot smaller. Whatever, I'm gonna let that be. Try to find another distributor or something, and get back to this another day. Alright, so I got everything wrapped up with the CRV. I put the distributor back. I'm fed up with that because I thought I had one, but I didn't. So I decided to make the CRV video, one video, and I'm continue working on the CRX today. Pull out the pedal assembly and make that into tomorrow's video. If you guys got any friends or know somebody that needs the headlights cleaned up, show them this video. Fairly simple process. Wet sand, 1500, 2000, depending on how bad your headlights are. You can go deeper in the sandpaper, but make sure you go up the increments of sandpaper to clear all the lines out on the headlight, because they are plastic. You can hit it with the Suds compound, or you can hit it with the plastics compound, which are meant for plastic, to bring back the clearness of your headlight. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.